This is November the 2nd, 2022. A beautiful day, around 60 degrees. I'm loving it, and so are the birds. Those were, a chickadee was there and a tufted titmouse. And that's, I think, some kind of sparrow. They really like that feeder. My friend Bonnie gave it to me as a gift. It's a Perky Pet. And the squirrels can't get to it. There you see one, but oh, maybe they're getting at that other one. This will be interesting. I see the top lid is tipped. It wants to. Yep, it really wants to go there. Thinking about it. How can I get there? Nope. He'll go with it to the ground to get it. To get this scraps.